The High Court on Wednesday heard petitions challenging the pay parking tender and the contract for the village panchayat of Candolim. The petitioners have challenged the tender, saying that in the notice published in the newspaper for the pay parking tender did not disclose that the applicant must have an experience of 2 years, but when they filed the actual application form, in the form it was mentioned that the applicant must have the experience of 2 years of pay parking in the village panchayat of Candolim, and that's why the petitioners were denied or disqualified from the tender. The petitioners have further contended that this time the tender has been given on the lesser price, causing loss to the village panchayat. Granting permission to the petitioners to add the successful bidders as parties in the petitions, the High Court has adjourned the hearing for 4th May. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.